In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create and share pages in Oracle Analytics Cloud and Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence. Pages help me organize content for different teams, so the right workbooks, datasets, and other assets are easier to find, without reconfiguring the homepage every time I switch projects. In this scenario, I need to add a new customer segmentation team to my OAC instance, and I want them to have their own dedicated page with the assets they use most frequently. First, I'll open the navigator to review the pages that already exist in this instance, like sales analysis. This page is already organized to feature the most important content that this team needs, like workbooks, datasets, and machine learning sections. Next, I'll switch to the supply chain page, which uses custom groups that can be used to organize different types of content like key workbooks and datasets. I can customize existing pages by selecting the Action menu, then Inspect. In the General tab, I can edit the settings of the page, like its category, icon, and theme color. In the Access tab, I can share this page with the right users or roles and choose what level of access they have. In the Layout tab, if I have the permission to edit the page, I can adjust the layout of the page, which sections appear, and the order they show up. Now I would like to create a new page for my customer segmentation team. I'll open Navigator again and select Add New Page. In the General tab, I'll name the page. Choose a category, icon, and theme color so it's easy to recognize. In the Access tab, I'll add team members and define their level of access. If I only want users to find and open this page, I'll assign to Read Only. If I want them to help maintain the page, I'll use Read Write. And if I want someone to fully manage the page, including updating access, I'll use Full Control. In the Layout tab, I'll keep the default sections and select Save. I will return to Layout after I create a custom group for this page. I'll open the Navigator and select my new customer segmentation page, and start creating the custom group of content that will be displayed on the page. There are already some assets related to customer segmentation in this instance, like machine learning models, datasets, and data flows. To start a new custom group, I'll select the Action menu of one of the machine learning models, choose Add to Custom Group, then New Custom Group. I'll enter a name for this custom group, Customer Segmentation Assets, then select Add. Next, I'll select the action menus of the rest of the key assets to add them to this custom group, like additional segmentation models, the data flows used to create them, and the dataset for this project. Now that the custom group is created, I will update the page layout so it appears at the top. I'll find the page in the Navigator, select the Action menu, then Inspect. In the Layout tab, I'll click and drag this custom group to the top of the page, since the team will use this content section the most. Then I'll select Save. I now see the new layout for this page, with my custom group at the top. If I'm an administrator, I can set a page to be the default homepage for a user, so they don't have to navigate there manually. From the Navigator, I'll select Landing Page Management. I'll search for the user or role, and then set their landing page to the customer segmentation page. I will also toggle Oracle Analytics Home to On, so the user's default homepage will now be the customer segmentation page. Then I'll select Save. And if I have Read, Read Write, or Full Control permissions, I can select the page's action menu and set a page as my landing page. If I refresh my browser, I now see the customer segmentation page is now my landing page. Now that I've created, organized, and shared a dedicated page, I can help each team quickly access the assets they use the most as soon as they sign in. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud and Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.